Everyone, we have snow falling around the area this morning. Here's a picture courtesy of the South Dakota Department of Transportation, US 18 near Oglala. So any fires that do start under extreme fire danger will take off very quickly. So just keep all this in mind as you move. Change though today. So we saw 70s yesterday, highs only in the 30s and 40s.
It was cool this morning.
Today, yeah, so prepare for that. And we're still tracking a little bit of snow to start falling tonight and into very early tomorrow morning. So we have a lot to get to as we move throughout your Tuesday morning here.
Even if they don't look like it, there's no snow on it, there's still going to be a thick layer of ice on there, so keep that in mind. The snow is blowing, guys, just pretty much horizontal right now. The winds are gusting. We have it up to 28 miles an hour. So guys, right now I'm going to flip over from Lewis Dortch reporter into Lewis Dortch NASCAR driver / announcer. Lewis Dortch gets a little bit loose starting into turn 1. This allows Nate Haggerty to get a run on him on the outside. The outside has been very fast today, Bill. Outside.
Western Pacific, high pressure overhead, cooler water. Now this actually has effect on our weather pattern. So as we come back and look here, we get the low that I just talked about that develops in the Pacific.
We're going to move on over here. Did you follow me over? There we go. Yeah. All right. Here we go. Okay. Join now with the cheerleaders. So this is where the cheers are.
This is News Center 1 Weather with Lewis Dortch.
And welcome back to News Center 1 today. A very good Tuesday morning, everyone. Let's take a quick look outside at some of the temperatures we have here this morning. Very mild air all around South Dakota. How about 37 in Huron, 40 in Pierre, already up to 50 degrees this morning in Phillip, 46 Rapid City, 52 in Spearfish, 44 this morning in Buffalo. Moving in just a little bit closer, you can see that warmer air is in the higher elevations of the Black Hills. 52 in Spearfish, 55 in Sturgis. They're at 46 Rapid City, 42 in Wasta, 43 there in Faith. But overall, another very warm start to your day. It's going to be another very warm afternoon as well. So let's talk about a couple of the weather highlights that we have for the next couple of days. First, more possible record high temperatures will be broken this afternoon. Rapid City, we're going with 70 degrees. Our record for downtown is 68. Pine Ridge looks like could break a record. Gillette, Phillip, Newcastle, Buffalo, all these areas, once again, possibly record high temperatures by this afternoon. Now, one thing that we're going to have to throw in there as well is the wind. It's going to be windy today. So anywhere here in the tan, this is along the foothills, Spearfish, Sturgis, Rapid City, Hermosa. This is a wind advisory with winds gusting around 45 to 50 miles per hour by this afternoon. Eastern Wyoming, Moorcroft and Newcastle, high wind warning. Winds gusting up to 60 and 70 miles per hour. And again, these will expire at 5 p.m. this evening. So once you have the warm temperatures, once you have the strong winds, well, that's going to lead to some fire danger as well. So we have extreme fire danger anywhere here in the orange. Again, this is because of the strong winds, the warm temperatures. You get that low relative humidity, very dry air. So any fires that do start under extreme fire danger will take off very quickly. So just keep all this in mind as you move throughout the remainder of your Tuesday. However, like we've been talking about all morning, big changes coming by the end of the week. So let's time that out for you here on our Futurecast satellite radar. There's the warm front that moved through last night. So by this afternoon, we stopped this at 12 p.m. Plenty of sunshine again, temperatures in the 60s. In the 70s. Now here comes the cold front, a weak cold front overnight tonight. So you can see that's going to kick off a few possible rain showers here in the green and the purple. That's some snow showers possible in the higher elevations. Again, this is quickly going to move through. Not expecting a lot as far as accumulation goes. Milder air behind this cold front for tomorrow will drop temperatures mostly into the 50s. And then this is when we're going to see the storm begin to develop starting Thursday morning. So 2 a.m. is when we stop this. Snow begins moving in from Nebraska and then just becomes more widespread throughout the day on Thursday. Now notice it looks like it's more going to be a southern half of South Dakota and in Nebraska in eastern Wyoming event. Now we're still a couple days out, so the overall forecast totals could change, but here's what we're expecting right now as far as our snowfall totals. Again, beginning Wednesday night all the way through Friday morning. More amounts further south you go with 4 to 6 inches in southwestern South Dakota, 2 to 4 inches around Sturgis, Phillip, Rapid City, and Spearfish, and then the least amount of snow is going to be in the northwestern part of the state with 1 to just 2 inches at most. All right, Black Hills area forecast for today. We'll go with a high temperature of 70 degrees in Rapid City, 65 in Spearfish, 58 in Custer, 68 in Martin. Winds out of the west, 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of around 50 miles per hour during the afternoon. Tonight, we'll drop our low temperature down to 43 degrees, partly cloudy and breezy. And like we just saw, a few sprinkles are possible as well. Tomorrow, how about a high temperature of 55, mostly sunny and mild, and yes, still a little bit breezy. Your 7-day forecast, that's going to show 33 on Thursday with the snow showers developing into Friday morning. Then we'll start to clear it out for the weekend, but still highs only in the 20s and 30s.